Lesson 4, Exercise 2. This assignment requires the axis to be where the datums are. Given in the previous video, I'm going to redo this though. If you hit the ISO view, this is the orientation it's supposed to be in. So the most common mistake I see is when I hit ISO view, it goes into this orientation, but if you look at the book, that's not how it is. The book matches this orientation. Problem with this one is the datum A here is on the bottom, and datum B is over here. That's all good, but datum C is on the wrong face. This is the smaller face. We need it on the bigger face. Therefore, the axis needs to be on the very back, and that would be datum C. And it does project forward in the Y direction for this particular example. Okay, so the datums don't always get to go where in the front where you want to see them, but this is the orientation of this part. And for the shop, we usually have the datums are the biggest faces. Not always, but you should be doing it unless otherwise specified. So the true part should look like this right here, where the axis is on the back corner. So again, if I have it rotated and I hit ISO view, this is the orientation it should be in when you hit the ISO view. When I slide up here, this is datum A, this is datum B. So the sketch plane you're working on is the XZ plane. The XZ plane represents datum C. That's that plane right there. Your biggest faces are your datums, and that's why this axis goes here on that corner, because that is the local axis representing datum A, B, and C. Okay, so again, when I hit my ISO view, this should be the orientation it's in. Sorry, I'll slide this around again. When I hit the ISO view, fit all in, the next step is to go here, save that as the engineering ISO view, which was done here. Okay, and something I should have said last time is we should be hitting ISO view and taking a picture of that, and with this screen on showing me that you made your engineering ISO view. Okay, that concludes this demo. Hopefully you understand better where the local axis goes. Okay, again, you got to look at the directions for the actual coordinates of the local axis. We want to make sure that we're not working on the absolute axis. I'll close this off and hit fit all in. There's your local axis, and this is the this is the absolute axis. It is inactive because it's dashed. The solid lines is the active axis. Also, if I hide this and I hit fit all in, it goes and finds the active axis system. Alright, hope that helps.